Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I get into the niche, I want to share with you my two print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. One is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass, a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering merch by Amazon. And since I haven't been making videos the past 2 days, I figured I'd put it on sale just for today only. So if you've been thinking about getting the course, today's your chance because it's only $9.99, 50% off, today only. You get 16 lessons and over an hour of content. This is good for beginners on merch or for people that are struggling to get sales on merch. And I also have my Redbubble course on sale as well. It's also 50% off, only $9.99. You get 20 lessons with over an hour of content, also good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble. Here are my credentials for merch. You're going to see I have over 10,000 sales, over $35,000 in revenue, or royalties, and I'm a tier 8,000 seller. And if we go to Redbubble, here are my yearly stats. Past few months, $266, $317, and $248. So if you're interested in purchasing the course, or the courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have them in the pinned comment. Okay, now let's go back to the content or to the niche of the video. So the niche that I have for you today is vote like it's 1973, and I really like this niche or this quote because of the actual niche that it's in. This is in the women's reproductive rights or the Roe v. Wade, and if you've been on merch the past few months, you know that this niche has been selling very well, and this seems to be like a new phrase that just kind of came out because if we look at the competition, there's only 83 results, and when we look at this design right here, it was uploaded September 12th, so was that 2 days ago, and it's already selling. So I know when I'm done recording this video, I'm going to get designing, I'm going to get uploading, I'm going to try to make maybe like 10 designs like this using this phrase with the messy bun, distressed, American flag, try and make as many variations as I can, maybe even like the wavy retro text that's also been popular. I'm going to get those up on merch, Etsy, Redbubble, and Tpublic. Again, the competition is very low, only 83 results. And if we check out the competition on the other print-on-demand websites, like Etsy, we're going to see vote like it's 1973, only has 184 results, so very low as well. If we check at Redbubble, there's only 2 results, which is very rare. It's rare to see that low amount of results for Redbubble. Usually they're in the thousands. And when we go to Tpublic, we're going to see it's also very low as well. You can go to Vexels if you're looking for graphics. I have an affiliate link in the description. But just because of the niche that this is in, this niche has been jamming, and I know I've been getting a lot of sales in it, especially for the "See You in November." That's also a really good phrase as well. I have a video on that. You can check it out on my channel. That's going to be the niche for today. I apologize that I haven't put up videos in the past couple of days. I've just been busy doing these Etsy shop reviews. If you have an Etsy shop and you want me to review it, you can take a look at the link that I have in the description. It's a FIverr gig. Basically, I do like a 30-minute video just breaking down your shop, recommending and showing you everything that I would do to change and improve on to get more sales. But that's going to be it. If you want to take a look at my courses, the links will be in the description. And if you're looking for more like trendy niches, ideas for your print-on-demand business, check out my channel. I have my recent upload playlist, and then I also have my trending designs for September playlist as well. If you want to get some more ideas, I have some like Halloween niches. And then I'll also check out this video that I have right up here. It's about a brand new niche that's an evergreen niche that will be picking up a lot of traction as we get closer to Christmas. So take a look at that video as well. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.